Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Little Nightmares fatal error. So let's start. Make sure to follow my steps in order to solve the issue. Firstly, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click on this upside arrow. After that, you need to select the launcher if it is running in the background, right click and click exit. Just wait for a couple of moments. After that, make sure to open the launcher once again. Now you need to go to library and select collections. After that, look for Little Nightmares. Any version doesn't matter. So select this gear icon in the right. After that, make sure you select properties. Once this pop up in the left menu, select installed files. After that, you need to click on verify integrity of game files. That way any missing file or corrupted one will be safely recovered without any issue. Now for the second method, go to the search bar right here. After that, type in NVIDIA app. If you can't find it for some reason, you should directly go to your browser and download it from the official website. Set it up, after that come back and click it. Now this will pop up. First of all, make sure to log in with your correct credentials. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up and create one. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers. Now from here you need to update your graphics card's driver, so select install. After that, click on Express installation for faster download and select continue to initiate the process. Now for the next method, go to your browser and type in DirectX. Select the first link that belongs to Microsoft. Now scroll down, select this download button right here. It will start downloading and make sure to set it up, and hopefully that will solve the issue. Now for the last method, you can try this method if all the previous one didn't work. So go to the Windows search bar and type in device manager. This window will show, so look for the display adapters. When you find it, make sure to open it by selecting this side arrow right here. Now go to your graphics card, NVIDIA or AMD, right click. After that, select update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers and then click on close. And that's it. Hope the issue is solved. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.